on the bold topics and I am Anand Main. There is no intention to weaken the dollar. Defending BRICS in the Lok Sabha, Jaishankar said that BRICS is such a platform that has expanded its membership and agenda in the last 2 decades. Our approach is to make the activities of BRICS better understood in the international community. Along with this, India clarified its position on Trump's allegation of weakening the influence of the dollar and said that it is not trying to weaken the dollar or create a common currency for BRICS. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said that he says that attacking the dollar is not a part of India's economy, political or strategic policy. India has clarified its position on this subject several times in bilateral talks with US officials. Uttar Pradesh BJP attacks on Karnataka issues. Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maury said Congress has been immediately opposed to backward Dalits, tribals and the poor. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar was strongly against giving reservation in the name of religion. But the Congress has played a trick to the Muslim vote bank in Karnataka, the price of which it will have to pay not only in Karnataka but in the entire country. Karnataka's decision to give reservation to Muslims in government contracts is anti-backward. Akhilesh Yadav should answer that Congress has robbed the rights of the backward. Why is he taking advantage of this? DMK gets support from RSS on the issue of delimitation. DMK gets support from RSS on the issue of delimitation. An important meeting is being held in Chennai today in the southern states on the issue of the proposed delimitation of Lok Sabha seats. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam President M.K. Stalin called this meeting in which leaders of opposition states are expected to attend. It is also interesting that Stalin and invited BJP-ruled states as well, and the special thing is that West Bengal's ruling Trinamool Congress have avoided this meeting. On the other hand, the most shocking news is that this delimitation issue has got the support of RSS. If you don't work, action will be taken. Warning the Delhi officials, Pravesh Verma said, get out on the streets, get your feet dirty and give people a solution to their problems. If the solution is not found within 10 days, action will be taken against the official. Like yesterday, an executive engineer was suspended. Now, you people may be next. AAP is targeting Congress in Punjab. Punjab Finance Minister Harpal Singh Chima said, before the new excise policy come during the Congress government in Punjab, the revenue from liquor was Rs 6200 crore, which has now reached Rs 11800 crore. There has been a hug increase in revenue under the AAP government in Punjab. The previous government in Punjab used to run a parallel liquor mafia. There was a government policy and there was a policy of Dutch running the excise mafia. We have ended the liquor mafia. May God save this country. Senior advocate and Supreme Court Bar Associate President Kapil Sibal said in a post on the social media platform X, may God save this country because such judges are sitting on the bench. The Supreme Court has been very shocked in dealing with erring judge. Kapil Sibal said that judges, especially the High Court judges, should avoid making such comments because it will send a wrong message to the society and people will lose faith in the justice. Whoever shows his eyes to Muslim brothers starts a fight will not be spared. Your brother Ajit Pawar is with you. Whoever shows his eyes to Muslim brothers starts a fight between two groups, no matter who he is, will not be spared. India is a symbol of unity in diversity. We should not fall into the trap of any divisive force. We have just celebrated Holi, Gudi Purwa and Eid are coming. All these festivals teach us to live together. We should all celebrate it together because unity is our real strength. Lost assembly election 5 times. Now Rahul Gandhi has given a big responsibility News about Congress leader Sushil Pasi went viral that he has been made the MP representative of Rahul Gandhi's parliamentary constituency race Bareilly. Now the Congress party has informed that there is fake news. It was being said that Sushil Pasi is a resident of Rai Bareilly. He comes from the Dalit community. That is why Rahul Gandhi has made him his MP representative. However, later the Congress dismissed the news, calling the viral letter fake. Jairam Ramesh in attacking mode on Amit Shah on the address given by Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Rajya Sabha yesterday. Congress MP Jairam Ramesh said the BJP is scared and nervous due to the excessive influence of Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi is raising question of the people. The BJP is completely scared by his Bharat Jodo Yatra, Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, and the question raised by him as the leader of the opposition. He is constantly meeting different sections of the society who do not have access to the Home Minister, Prime Minister or Senior Minister. They are raising concern about everyday livelihood. The BJP is scared, so they keep coming in attacking mode on Rahul Gandhi. Something is being mixed in CM Nitish Kumar's food. The ongoing controversy over Nitish Kumar had the insult of the national anthem is not coming to the end. RJD MLA Bhai Virender has said that something is being mixed in the food of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, due to which his mind is getting spoiled. His food should be investigated. The RJD MLA further said that something is being mixed in Nitish Kumar's food to spoil his health. People around Nitish are earning money and feeding Nitish something. Because of that, Nitish does wrong things. He speaks nonsense. There should be an investigation as to what is being mixed in his food. There is a section for insulting the national anthem. The punishment is 3 years. Nitish has insulted it. We will not let the house function until Nitish Kumar apologizes. Dispute over Tilak. Dispute over Tilak has now started in Bihar politics. Bihar government minister claimed that when leader of opposition Tejasvi Yadav went to the temple to worship, he had Tilak on his forehead. But when he reached Iftar a few steps away, the Tilak on his forehead was missing. Bihar government minister Sanjay Saravgi and Jivesh Mishra said if Tejasvi Yadav respected his religion, his forehead to go to Iftar hatred towards Sanatan Dharma is clearly visible. Who will be the Deputy Speaker of Maharashtra Assembly? Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis held an important meeting with Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar and Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde on this issue. In this meeting, the final seat was put on the name of Anna Bansode after the victory of Mahayuti in the Maharashtra Assembly election. Rahul Narvekar was made to Speaker of the Assembly, but the post of Deputy Speaker was lying vacant. Officials are not picking up to calls of MLAs and MPs. The Delhi Assembly Speaker has written a letter to the Chief Secretary GMCTD raising the issue that the later phone calls and messages of the members of Legislative Assembly and MPs are being ignored by the official. The Chief Secretary has taken this issue seriously and has issued strict instructions to all the departments taking immediate action. The government has made it clear that matters related to MLAs and MPs should be given priority and their letters and requests should be answered appropriately in time. Only Hindus should get jobs in Tirumala temple. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu said only Hindus should be employed in Tirumala temple. If people of their religions are currently working there, they will be shifted to other places without hurting their sentiments. RSS said we are with the minorities of Bangladesh. RSS Joint General Secretary Arun Kumar said we stand in solidarity with the Hindu Society of Bangladesh. We have raised serious concern about the violation of human rights of all minorities in Bangladesh, including Hindus. We should not understand this as something else due to politics to regime change. There is also a religion aspect to it. The majority and continuous target are Hindus and other minorities. Perception of religion minorities is nothing new. In 1950 1951, the Hindu population was 22% and now it has come down to 7.95%. This is an existential crisis for Hindus in Bangladesh. The violence that is happening this time seems to have government and institutional support. They are trying to make it not only anti-Hindu but also anti-India. In our resolution, we have also raised concern about international forces. India and its neighbors are not just a group of nations. We have a long shared history. We have a lot in common. Many global forces are creating mistrust between India and its neighbors, trying to give birth. What is your opinion about Karnataka decision when Muslims population have given 4% reservation in constructions? What is your opinion in this topic? Give comment, like, share and subscribe to channel.